Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. So I'm about to be away for work for kind of 3 to 4 weeks and I can only pack one suitcase because I'm going to be traveling around predominantly by train and obviously going to have my viola on my back. So yeah, so I can only have one suitcase for like 3.5 to 4. I'm packing for 4 because I may be away longer. It's life of a freelancer. Anyway, I have got to pack super smartly because also it is the British summertime, so I need to pack for all eventualities and I'm gonna try and do my best. First thing that I am 100% packing is this dress, and I actually got this from Tesco. So run don't walk, it is currently in, well, it's in my local Tesco anyway, and I just absolutely love it. It's a loose fitting style dress, which I really like. I don't like anything tight on my upper body, it makes me a bit uncomfortable, and I love the sleeves because they're kind of that 3/4 length, so they are perfect for if it gets a little bit cooler, but at the same time it's short, not going to overheat, and the material is lovely because it's not see-through at all, but it is nice and light and thin and breathable. So this is 100% coming with, but let's start with tops. It's worth saying at the start of this that I will have access to a washing machine, so don't get too concerned. I also haven't ironed anything here because I'm literally just going to roll it up and put it in a suitcase. If you are offended by that, then I'm sorry, but equally bigger problems. So the first top that I'm going to be taking with me is my classic blue and white striped cotton shirt from Zara. I thought this would be perfect because if it's hot, I'm still going to be able to breathe and not die. And also this literally goes with all of the bottoms that I own, so I thought this would be perfect. The next top I'm going to be taking is actually another Zara one, which is funny because I actually don't really shop at Zara anymore. These are both older pieces, and maybe this is the thing, maybe old Zara was better. That's why I've still got my old Zara pieces. Discuss. Anyway, but this top I've had for years. I absolutely love it. It's a bit more boho-y than my normal style, she says, wearing this dress, but you know, I absolutely love it. It's kind of got this double tiered and then this embroidery crochet hem to it, which I love because it's quite cropped but without actually showing any skin, but you can kind of see a little bit through the lace, and I just think it's beautiful with these fluttery sleeves, and again goes with all the shorts and trousers that I plan on taking. And then last but very much not least, this is my just plain white t-shirt from Lily Silk. This was one of the best things I have ever bought. I need to buy a second one, I just need to do it because I was on the hunt for the perfect white t-shirt, and this for me is that it's so good. It's not see-through, providing you're wearing the right undergarments, and it just hangs and drapes and tucks beautifully, and I love the length of the sleeves on me. Okay, and then for dresses, I'm obviously going to take this one that I'm wearing now, and then I am also going to take this classic plain white floaty, I mean reasonably floaty, this is pure cotton, so it's a very breathable dress, and this is from White Stuff. I got it on eBay and I absolutely love this dress. I love it because the straps, they look better when they are ironed, shockingly, but can you see they're a bit thicker, they're not super spaghetti straps because I am a larger bosomed lady. I find that spaghetti straps just look really unbalanced on me, so something with a slightly thicker strap is just perfect, and also will then sort of cover up any bra straps going on. This is going to drive the camera nuts, so I apologise, but I'm also going to take this very simple black shirt dress from H&M, and this has to be up there with one of the most worn items in my entire wardrobe because at the front, it's got this kind of V neckline, you've got a nice collar, but then it just goes into this very loose sort of smock style, and I absolutely love it because of the material. It's very light and floaty. You don't have to belt it because it kind of moves with you, so you can still see your figure, but at the same time it's super loose. So even though this is black, I wear this on hot days, especially if I'm playing at weddings and things. It's perfect. But then you can also belt it and, you know, dress it up and put some nice heels on it. In fact, playing at a wedding tomorrow, might do this because I've got a new pair of shoes, which I might show you. We'll save them for another video, but they're fabulous. Now, I wasn't quite sure what category to put these in because they are shirts, but they are long shirts that I shall be wearing with cropped leggings is the vibe. Again, for when I have slightly colder days, because again, British summertime, there will be some. And so I have this gorgeous blue one from Ralph Lauren, and then I have this white one from Amazon Fashion. I probably will not be able to link most of the clothes. But I will try, and this may be one that I will be able to, just because most of my wardrobe is old or pre-loved. It's just how I prefer to shop. I absolutely love both of these because you're wearing a shirt, so you look like you tried, but you're also wearing leggings and a comfy floaty top. So, you know, who's the real winner here? So for bottoms, I'm gonna take 2 pairs of trousers, 1 pair of jeans and 2 pairs of shorts, which may be too many. And if I can't fit everything in my suitcase, I'll drop the jeans because they're the least likely item to be worn, just purely because it is pretty warm. We're hoping it's going to stay that way. So first things first are my wide leg beige trousers, and these are from ASOS Design, and yeah, I absolutely love these. Again, all of the tops that I'm packing will go with these, so that's a win. And then we have another pair of wide leg trousers. These are in navy, and they're the Bershka Dad trouser. The hole that this pair of trousers has on me in my wardrobe, I cannot even begin to tell you. These paired with my white lily silk t-shirt and then my white VEJAs. Oh, I feel so good in that outfit. I feel so put together, but it's still casual, it's quite cool. Oh, I love it. So I will 100% be buying another pair of these. In fact, I'm actually slightly annoyed that I haven't already purchased a second pair. Sorry, I'm just trying to get the dog hair off them. These are phenomenal. I absolutely adore them. If you are looking for that lightweight, but heavy enough to drape nicely, these are you will live in them, as I have. The only thing is I have had to turn them up. I'm about 5'4", 5'5" for reference, so just bear that in mind. If you are smaller than me, then these may be too long for you. And then the jeans, no surprises here, are my Levi 501s. They've got a little bit of a frayed hem on them, which grew on me. I think I've said already, I wasn't a massive fan initially, and I could still turn them up and have a clean edge if I so desire. But these are, again, one of the best purchases I have ever made, but they are quite thick, so they might be a bit too much. But I'm gonna plan to take them, and like I say, if I can't fit them, then these will get the chop. First pair of shorts, nothing controversial here, a good old pair of denim shorts. I love these ones. These are actually from M&S, and they are the boyfriend jean. I searched and searched and searched. I bought these last year for so long for a pair of shorts that were high-waisted, but then not long, but not hot pants. There's something very specific I was looking for. I got really demoralised because just nothing was fitting in the way that I wanted it to. And then I went into M&S, and these were the first ones I tried on. So I have just embraced the fact that I am now of the age where M&S is just really nice clothes. And then again, just keeping it super casual with a pair of black chino shorts. These are actually from Tesco as well. I find with Tesco, it's always worth having a little quick mooch around. Don't take too long, don't spend hours there, but have a little quick fly around, because occasionally you'll spot something and be like, yes, that is a wardrobe staple that I will wear over and over and over and over again for years and years to come. These were an example of that. I've had these at least since last year, I think the year before. And then of course this dress is new to me, but I have already worn it, washed it, been checking to see if it was dry so that I could put it like straight back on. So, you know, I always feel like that's a good sign. And then last but not least, a pair of black 7/8 leggings from Gymshark. And I will try and find out what style these are, because they are so beautifully soft, and I love wearing them under things because they're so black, they're so opaque. But I wouldn't wear these to the gym. They're just not that kind of fabric to me. I prefer the more sort of shiny fabric, do you know what I mean? But these are just perfect for layering under shirts and whatnot. So for shoes, again, if I can't fit all of these in, there's only 5 pairs. 5 pairs of shoes is quite a lot, isn't it? We may have to whittle down, but a pair that is 100% coming with me are my VEJA Campos. These I waited a few months to buy them. I saved up for them and they have been worth every single penny. They make every single outfit I put them with just look 10 times better, like straight off the bat. So yes, without a doubt, these are coming with. And then for primarily when I wear the leggings and the shirts, I am bringing my Adidas Gazelles in black. They are almost wearing out on the bottom because I have worn them so much. And I will be perfectly honest, I will probably buy the exact same shoe again because I love them. Then if it gets really warm, I will wear my little tan sandals. I got these from, they're by 5th Avenue, but I can't remember the name of the shop that I bought them from. But they were Dykeman, that was it. They were from Dykeman Shoes. And I absolutely love them. I love the style of them. I love the simplicity of them. I love the fact that they're proper straps. I used to think I really liked mule kind of shoes, but I prefer being a little bit more held in, especially if I'm driving. Not that I will be over the next few weeks, but you know what I mean. For general life. And then I'm also going to take my little Chanel espadrilles. They go with absolutely everything and they're just such a versatile shoe. So yes, very, very keen for these. And then last pair of shoes are my little loafers from Accessorize. These have been amazing. Such a good purchase. And so I think next year I am definitely going to purchase a real leather version. Even if I don't, I might get the Gucci ones. I might do it. We'll see. But I will definitely get a real leather pair because the only thing with these is that they're not the most breathable, but these are what I'm going to use for my work shoes whilst I am away. So hence the smarter pair, maybe too many shoes. We shall see. So for bags, I am going to keep this minimal, she says, and I am going to be just taking my little Mulberry crossbody bag. And I love this bag because it is the perfect size to put your phone, your card holder, and then your keys maybe. And it's just, but I can't overfill it. So I really, really love this one. So that's absolutely coming with. And then for the days where I need to be carrying a bit more stuff with me, I'm gonna take my Kanken backpack. And because it's black and tan, it goes with all of the shoes. See? She thought about this. So the final category is jewellery. And I have really, really enjoyed my jewellery lately. I've been wearing a lot of the same pieces, you will have noticed. I kind of love that. I don't like having loads of choice. Decision fatigue is real. I'm basically just going to take the pieces that I've been wearing all the time. So the first one, I'll take it off so you can see it properly, is my beautiful Olivia Burton watch. I adore this watch, and it has basically become my go-to watch because it makes every outfit just kind of elevate a little bit. And initially I thought it would look too fancy with casual outfits. No, it just makes them look fabulous. And then I'm also going to be taking my gold bracelets. I got these ones just from ASOS and I love them. They're so easy to throw on and versatile. But then I am also going to take my little sterling silver bangle. I just got this one on eBay. And then necklaces wise, I'm gonna take this one. Oh, I've been there. Oh, that's been there for the whole video, hasn't it? I'm so sorry. That would have really annoyed me watching this video. It's gonna really annoy me editing this video. Anyway, I'm gonna take my beautiful pearl pendant from By Glaze, and then I'm also gonna take this gorgeous little vintage Chanel number, which then has the mother of pearl on the back. So they'll do for my gold necklaces. Oh wait, no, I lied. I'm also gonna take my moon phase choker from By Glaze. Oh, this again is one of the best jewelry purchases I've ever made. I absolutely adore it. And then for a silver necklace, I'm gonna take my white gold heart. I don't know. There's nothing else to say. It's a little white gold heart. And this is by Clog Eye, which is a beautiful Welsh brand. And I absolutely love that one. And then for earrings, I'm going to probably take these, which are just little sort of gold hoops. And then I am also going to take my little pearl huggies from By Glaze. These are my most worn earrings by far, and they live in their little box because they're very delicate. You need to be careful with the pearl coating. It can come off. And then I'm probably also going to bring these little silver hoops, which then have a little sort of hanging charm from them. I am so sorry, I have no idea where these are from, I can't remember. And then just a simple little pair of silver huggy hoops, which again, these and the by Glaze huggies are by far my most worn earrings. And I think that's it. I think that's everything I'm gonna bring. I realised that I didn't show you any of the accessories I'm taking. But I'm just going to take my black belt, which has these lovely little sort of studs in them. And this one is by Scotch. And then I am also going to take my tan Ralph Lauren belt. I love this belt. This looks so good over dresses. Sunglasses wise, I'm going to be taking my super dry ones, which are a bit more tan, but easier and very good for pushing back the hair with, which is their primary function, I'll be honest. And then I'm also going to take my little sort of round Ray-Bans. These were one of the best investments I've ever made. I know I say that about a lot of my accessories and my clothes, but I tend to really try and think through purchases and just make sure that I'll really get a lot of use out of them. So these and my VEJAs are probably two of the best things I've ever bought, and that is actually everything, I think. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This was actually super helpful because I think if I hadn't been thinking about making this video, I probably wouldn't have thought about outfits so much in my head, and I am genuinely excited to wear these clothes and these outfits, and that's just so much fun. It's making me look forward to being away rather than slightly stressed. So I hope you have enjoyed this. Please do give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more from me. And yeah, I'll see you guys very soon.